So we ran a session that took the participants through a transdisciplinary process of using data to generate ideas for social impact.
So we were hoping that the participants would learn how to derive useful insights from data.
One of the things that we hope the participants would do in the session is to go through a process of transdisciplinary collaboration, which basically draws on everybody's interests and disciplinary perspectives to frame a problem and then come up with some possible solutions to it.
And I think the collaborative setup of the room really helped with all the group work, because we were able to get them to present to the entire room right from where they were sitting in their groups, within their groups. So the sharing was really very, very effective in this room. So that worked out really well, yeah.
Yeah, I think debrief was really powerful, and that really created a sense that we're all in this room together. So it wasn't really that you're working on this single table at your table on your issue, but actually by debriefing and using the facilities available here to point the camera directly at the people presenting, that really felt like you're part of this bigger picture. One thing that I would do differently is probably simplify the session, so perhaps have really clear, let's say 3 phases, 3 steps, and make it very simple by making it really clear and outlining maybe from the beginning of what exactly will happen at these 3 different points. Probably would be a good way to structure it. I think anybody who teaches in this room should have an extremely clear plan in their mind, and also give it to students so that they know exactly what will happen, and then perhaps have several points during the session where the whole room can come together and check where they are at and then start the process again.
So we need to be really clear who's doing what at any particular time and clearly define points as we go. We had a number of people who helped us during the whole session. So they helped us manage zones across different areas in the room. So to go and check in at certain points, what was happening, how the groups were progressing in the activities and so on. I think the real big advantage of having a room like this is emphasizing group work and collaboration among students, and not really going for the traditional lecture-like sessions where you talk for a whole hour and students listen to it, where it's just one-way process. But a setup like this really enables students and teachers to work together and again, like design activities and more interactive sessions for their learning.
I think it's just an absolutely amazing, lovely room. It has, you're in a big room, but you don't feel like you're in a big room. You feel connected to everybody. And I think if we can actually use that to build on that good collaborative energy that is already in the architecture of the room, then the teaching will be easy from there.